All right, today it's all about Oodles of Doodles. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So with this one, I was kind of thinking like, let's fill up a page with a bunch of really quick doodles. And let's change it up. Let's do a black background. I've seen other people do this, and I thought let's take a crack at it. So there's my first character, and then I drew another one. You'll see where I use the airbrush on some of these. I kept these very simple, very quick. And no, I didn't sit down and do all these in one shot. I did a few here, and then I did a few there, and thought let's just put them all on one page. And so I just kept going. And so I did my usual just band of weirdos and creeps, and just kept going. So there's my ghoul, and here's my wolfman. I'm really proud of this wolfman. For so quick, I'm really like how he came out. And then I drew this devil girl as well, and I was again just trying to mix things up, different colors, different characters, fit them on the page, and I was like, let's keep going. And so there's my purple skull, because I like to draw skulls, and I kept going. Let's draw big-brained aliens. There's another one. So then I threw them all on the page, trying to get them situated, and realized, yeah, I got some space. So I did a Cyclops. Again, super quick. And that's it. Oodles of Doodles. I hope you like it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. See ya.